Today we are going to understand DNS. Who can tell me what happens when you type google.com in your browser? A DNS record is a mapping. A user queries a DNS server which returns the IP address.
nslookup checks if DNS resolution is working. This is the DNS server your system is using. This command shows DNS records stored locally on your system, your PC server. This command clears all stored DNS records from your system. When to use it? Website not loading, DNS record recently changed, or troubleshooting connectivity issue.
Do you know why a website sometimes shows old IP addresses even after you change the DNS record? TTL tells how long a DNS record should be cached before it expires. Same with DNS. Let's troubleshoot DNS issues. First, use nslookup to check DNS. Then use displaydns to view the cache. If there's a wrong IP, use flushdns to clear the cache and try again.